guys, welcome to Mommy's Love Vlogger. Today we're going to Harbourfront. So let's go. We live in Mississauga and we're going to Toronto. It was a very kind and pleasant day today. So we thought, let's just go chill there. So, yeah. Oh my god, here's the CN Tower. It's so big. There was very less traffic, but when we got close to the CN Tower, boom, a lot of traffic. Here we are almost there. So let's... Hey guys, today we are at Harbourfront. Let's have fun. Ooh, the power plant. Ooh, the boats are making me feel like I want to sail the 7 seas. That's exciting. What if we do sail the 7 seas? A combo of water and clouds? Amazing. It was all nice, but it was a little windy, and it was really peaceful. We are waiting for our friends to come. We called them so they can come. I'm literally getting bored without my best friend. Wow, a beautiful sunset. So beautiful. I believe there's an airport nearby. That's why there's a plane going around. I think this plane is landing. What do you guys think? Yep, it's gonna land. Finally, my friend came. Now I'm not bored anymore. Wow, there's a big boat. It's so huge. I think that's a yacht. Don't know. I was about to take a picture, but then, since I have a little fear of dogs, I ran away. I'm just talking about the boat. The boat's name is Obsession Number 3. We are close by to the CN Tower. It's very close. So I thought, how about we take some photos? Oh, here's another boat. And there's Obsession Number 3. Look at the beautiful sunset. Oh my god, it's hurting my eyes. Wow, it's such an amazing view. We thought about going to another place to take some pictures of the sunset, but it was too late. So we were going to a different place, and that place is a playground. And there was a lake nearby, so we thought, wow, it's a good idea to take some pictures. So we took some pictures and videos, and it was really beautiful. The sunset is really beautiful. And there's a person on a boat. Oh my god, I think that's a canoe. She's enjoying on her little ride. It's so cute. Wow, I wish I could go on a canoe race. Thank you for watching this beautiful video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in my next video. Bye!